The MBlock software is one of the best software for every student to start in STEAM education's learning. Why do we say so? Hey, this is Coach Chris. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the greatest software which is suitable for every student to start in the STEAM education's learning, especially in programming. So this MBlock software is actually a free software that is developed and provided by the company called MacLeod. So this company has also designed and developed their own robotic kits to support the STEAM educations as well. So if you would like to find more about their products, you might go to their website and browse for their robotic kits. And if you would like to ask me that, do you need to buy one of the robotic kits to start in this STEAM education's learning? My suggestion for you is you doesn't need to do so, because you can use this free software that is provided by them to start learning in the programming first. But if you are really interested and attracted to their product, you might purchase it, because I think it might be very interesting for you to start learning how to program a robot as well. So in the previous video, I've talked about the graphical programming language and their advantages. So I've mentioned about the Scratch programming as well. So for your information, this MBlock is also using the Scratch programming language. And if you would like to ask what are the difference between them, so this Scratch programming language allows the students to do the animations and games by using these graphical programming blocks. So MBlock has the similar features as well, so it will also allow the students to do animations and game. But in addition, this MBlock has another features, which is it is able to allow the student to program for hardware as well. What are the hardwares that are supported is like the robots that are developed by the MacLeod, as what you can see from their website, and also some other third-party devices like the MicroBit and also Arduino microcontrollers. And this MBlock software also support the AI features and IoT features, so you can develop your own artificial intelligence project or the IoT, the Internet of Things project by using this MBlock. And the great thing is, you doesn't need to know how to use the text-based programming. Instead, you are still using this graphical programming language. And another additional features of this MBlock is you can even convert your graphical programming blocks into the Python text-based program or even the C text-based program. So in this way, you can learn what is the text-based programming that you need to type out to perform the functions that you have programmed by using the graphical programming language. So in this way, you can learn the programming language in a more efficient way. So next, let us talk about the versions that have been developed by the MBlock. So previously, our center teach our student to use the MBlock Tree, where this MBlock Tree is actually based on the Scratch 2.0. And nowadays, they have the latest version, which is the MBlock 5. It's based on the Scratch 3.0. So if you ask me what is the difference between this Scratch 2.0 and Scratch 3.0, so Scratch 3.0 has a larger number of sprites, which are the characters, and also backgrounds for you to make your animations and game, compared to the Scratch 2.0 that have fewer selections. And another thing for the Scratch 3.0 is their sprites or their background that have a better and attractive appearance compared to the Scratch 2.0. And last time, during the MBlock 3, the devices that supported by this software is basically personal computer for Windows OS, Mac OS, Linux, and also the Chromebook. But nowadays, the MBlock 5 it even support the iOS and Android. So with the mobile phone or the tablet, you can simply learn this programming by using this MBlock 5 as well. And for MBlock 3, those hardware devices that are supported by the MBlock 3 is very limited, which is only the Arduino, the MBoard, Ranger, and the Ultimate 2.0. So these are the only 4 devices that are supported by the MBlock 3. So nowadays, the MBlock 5 supported a lot more devices, like what I've said, like MicroBit, Arduino microcontroller, and even Raspberry Pi. So the limitations of this software has been reduced. So you can see the potential and the capability of this software has expanded drastically when we use this MBlock 5. So by using MBlock 5, even though you don't know how to use the text-based programming, it doesn't limit you to do your own impressive projects that involve the AI and the IoT, which is the latest trend now. Because using this graphical programming language, you can develop your own impressive high-tech project easily by yourself. So these are the informations that I would like to share with you regarding to this MBlock software. So before I end this video, I would like to promote one of our online courses that teach you all those basics on how to use this MBlock to do programming. And if you are interested, please go to our link below, or you can directly contact us if you would like to enroll in our online course. So thank you very much. I'll hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.